Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change lock screen timeout period on Android. For this you will have to just open the phone settings. So from here you can just open the display and brightness, and here you will see the auto screen off. So you will have to just click it. So here is the set on 15 seconds. 15 second means that after 15 seconds this display will be automatically off. So you will have to fix time period out of screen, so you will have to just adjust off above than 1 minute. So you will have to just set to 1 minute. So after 1 minute your display is turn it off automatically. So this is how to fix. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.